Hello, I'm Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. Today we're going to take you through some of the best exercises you can do for low back pain. Now these exercises are only designed if you have mild discomfort in the morning. You don't want to use these as a sole treatment. You want to make sure that you are talking to your healthcare practitioner to make sure that these are the best exercises. If any of these exercises cause you pain, you should stop immediately and consult your healthcare professional. You can do these throughout the day. Generally, when you have a tight back, when you wake up in the morning, it can be a little bit uncomfortable, so you can do these before you get out of bed in the morning. You can do these if you have time at the gym during the day or even at night. You want to hold these about 30 seconds, and you want to do about 6 repetitions of each of these. The first one we're going to do is a hamstring stretch. Now, the old school way of sitting up and leaning forward and stretching your hamstrings is not the best way to stretch your hamstrings, mostly because you curve your back and you wind up stretching your back as opposed to your hamstrings. Hamstring tightness is a main contributor to low back pain, so it's very important that you try and isolate the hamstrings. So if you grab a sheet, towel, dog leash, we have a special strap here, but it can be substituted with any one of those things at home. You want to gently apply it to your toe, pull your toe up towards your nose, and then pull the whole leg forward. The main thing in a hamstring stretch is to keep the knee straight, okay? Getting further with a bent knee is not stretching your hamstring. The main thing, keep this knee straight. You'll feel a stretch from here all the way up to your butt. Wherever you're tightest is where you're going to feel it. Once you feel that gentle stretch, you want to stop and you want to hold that for 30 seconds. Don't make it painful. Don't make it anything more than a gentle stretch. It may be slightly uncomfortable, but you should be able to hold it for 30 seconds and not grimace in pain. And again, the main thing is your knee is straight, your back is completely flat on the table, so you're not worried about hurting your spine. You're just stretching your hamstrings. You want to do this both sides, not just one. Even if you only feel tightness on one side, you want to make sure that you are stretching both legs. The next exercise you're going to do is just a gentle double knee to chest. So you're just going to grab both your knees and hug them. Some people may not feel a stretch with this. This is a very nice way just to open up the entire lower back. If you're really tight, you will feel a stretch. If you're not as tight, this will just be a gentle way to get the blood flowing to the muscles and open up everything in the back. The last stretch, you want to flip over onto your hands and knees. You're going to reach your arms out as far as you can forward, dropping your head, and you're going to sit your butt back on your heels. Now some people may feel a stretch right there, so that's fine. Hold that 30 seconds and do that 6 times right there. What you want to do, ideally, is walk your hands to the left side and sit back. That's going to make sure you target everything on the right side and make sure that's all stretched out. Hold that 30 seconds, then walk your hands over to the right, stretch that, making sure you're opening up that whole left side. You want to do that 30 seconds, you want to do that 6 times. Again, if you can't go down this far so that your butt is almost touching your heels, that's okay. Go as far down as you can where you feel a nice gentle stretch, but that you are not in pain and you're not in any sort of discomfort. If anything should happen, you feel any numbness or tingling, that is not normal, and you need to stop, reset, and then call your healthcare practitioner. And those are some of the best exercises for low back pain.